Hello, Malaysian. 66th Malaysia National Day is coming. This video I would like to share with you the offers during this Merdeka. Number 1. Fipper 31% discount. On the 31st of August, Fipper offer 31% discount for all footwear on selected outlets and online. Number 2. Nadeje 15% off. Using promo code Merdeka66 on online order, you will get 15% off for all whole cakes. Number 3. Secret Recipe 31% off. Dress up in Jalur Gemilang's colors and say, Rahasia Petua, to get 31% off for slice cake. Number 4. Minute Steak Hub. Special menu. In conjunction with Minute Steak Hub's 66th National Month, Merdeka Special Menu promo for all. Number 5. J.Co. 39 Donuts and 11 Beverage. From 28 to the 30th of August, you can buy 2 dozens donuts with RM39 and 11 for any beverage. Number 6. McDonald's Merdeka at McD promo. McDonald's Malaysia promo the Merdeka at McD Rama Kasa Sayang promotion, offering RM5 special combo. Number 7. IKEA Merdeka Day Specials. IKEA Malaysia promo RM 16.90 whole chicken leg nasi caribou and 8.90 eggless bandung cake at Swedish restaurant until the 31st of August. Number 8. Ayamas 10% off. Ayamas promo 10% discount from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. for selected dishes with terms and conditions. Number 9. Gong Cha, second drink 66% off. Don't miss this. All you need is purchase a drink and get 66% off on the second drink. Number 10. Sakae Sushi 34% off. From now until the 31st of August, just dine in at selected outlet, spend 100 but pay 66. Free membership for new customer. Number 11. My Laksa free drink. Show off your My Laksa Merdeka keychain and enjoy a free drink with an Assam Laksa or Tom Yam a la carte order. Number 12. San Francisco Coffee Buy 2 Free 2. Buy 2 Free 2 promo on regular-sized durian drinks every weekend from the 19th of August to the 1st of October 2023. That's all for this video. Celebrate the National Day with these offers. Don't miss up. Happy 66th Malaysia National Day. Tekad Perpaduan, Penuhi Harapan.